Hello, I'm Olena, staffing partner. Welcome to Workforce Management Space. Hello, happy Thursday! Hi team, how are you? I have been working at Intellias over 7 years. I was hired as a first rotation specialist and got a great opportunity to build entire rotation process from the scratch. It's full of memories, how we had fun together with our team. I'm working closely with delivery managers and recruitment teams from different countries, ensuring all staffing goes smoothly. I also collaborate with our pre-sales team to demonstrate our talent capabilities for engaging new clients. At Intellias, we have our own art gallery. I enjoy visiting new exhibitions opening. Actually, my husband presented his artworks in our gallery a few years ago. During the day, I like to get some inspiration from artworks.